Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how we can dissolve that chlorophyll of that present in that leaf. How we can dissolve that chlorophyll, which solvent we'll use. Now see that chlorophyll is dissolved in ethanol. Okay, so for ethanol source see, I use that sanitizer. Okay, actually it is blue color, but you will see the change. Okay, it will turn green. Chlorophyll green color, we know that pigment, it will turn green. Now just take one random that leaf, green color leaf. See what I am doing. Just see, put some leaf. See, see, put some leaf in a test tube. Next, see, we are adding that ethanol based sanitizer, not that isopropanol. When you buy that sanitizer, observe, okay, it should be ethanol based. One is rubbing alcohol, is isopropanol. Now see, just you have to keep it for half an hour and you will see the change. Now that color is blue because I used that blue sanitizer. After half an hour, see that complete solution will turn green because that chlorophyll present in that leaf, it dissolved in that ethanol present in that sanitizer. See, after half an hour, you see what happened. See, that blue color, that sanitizer color, it turned completely green due to that dissolution of that chlorophyll. See, that blue color sanitizer I use. Okay, it is not Dettol, actually it is different. It is in the Dettol bottle. Okay. See the change. Blue color, now see, it turned completely green because ethanol dissolve that chlorophyll. Okay. Next, see, I'll show you more that different solvent that which we use to extract that different compound. Okay, actually it is used in solvent extraction. You have to remember which solvent used for which type of compound. If you like this video, please press that like button. Please share it. Okay, to get more this type of chemistry related video.